Hi everyone, spend a day with me at home. While I show you my day, I also explain COPAR, or Community Organizing Participatory Action Research, using my own household as an example community. In COPAR, the first step is connecting with the community. For me, that's spending time with my family, especially my mother, because every day we always have this chika time. This is when mag-rant ko sa akong mother, sa everyday happening na ako sa school or sa friends na ako, open kay ko ano niya dyan. Next step is observing the routine. For example, man niya akong mother, love ko na yung mag-drink of coffee, usahay na lang siya mo-inom og tubig. Same man ni sa akong mother, mga hard-headed kayo. And that's where I see a common health concern, our lack of proper hydration, which could affect our health. In COPAR, it's important to involve everyone in solution, so I suggested we all place water bottles around the house and remind each other to stay hydrated. This is a small example show how nurses use COPAR in barangays, connecting with people, learning the routines, finding health issues, and solving them together. It starts with small steps, even in our own homes. So here, I have nothing to do. Watch me doing my skincare routine. Kaya wala may klase karon tungod sa bagyo. Stay safe everyone. Murag, igop legit sa bagyo. So area ko sa balay, walay laag kay kaulan nun. Kasi nagmaabtan ko sa baha ngadto. May risig yun. And that's it. I'm Christine Pagador from Section B SM3 C12. Thank you for spending the day with me. See you soon. Bye!